this. Look what I just found. What is good, everybody? Dirty D back again with another one. And this time, we're focused on Matchbox. Can't believe this. Look what I just found. Oh man, I don't even... Look at that, dude. Man. 93 Javelin. It's so cool. Got the spider. Man, that thing's so nice. What is that? Different steps on. Man, that thing's nice too. Shoot. I'm stuck. I don't know. Dark, so that thing's clean too. Man, I'm loving this set right now. I just want to get all of them, but I don't think I will. I might only get 2 of them. What is this? Oh, Javelin. It looks pretty clean. I don't know that. I don't think I'll get that one. Man, that's awesome though. I'm gonna get these 2. The Mazda and the Jaguar XJ. Man, that thing's just so clean. Yep, I'm going with that one. That one's empty. Some of these speeders. What is this? Jaguar, oh, nice. Matchbox, let's go. Oh, look at that C8. Let us see it. Yeah. Nice. I don't know if I want this. I do like that set, but I might just get these. For now, the Miata. Let's see it. Yeah, it was nice. Oh, man, I keep seeing this, but I don't buy this. I only have like 1 or 2. We'll see. One of the worst. I swear it's one of the worst. These are peg warmers everywhere I go. Back to the Future. Yeah, you're never gonna see that S2000 on the pegs this year. I've never seen it yet. F1 stuff. Oh my goodness. Color. They finally restocked. Now of everything, this is the only thing that I didn't have, but it's okay. I saw something else. Oh. Finally found some. Not all of them. Let me see, where is it? Oh. I found that one. Really wanted the M3, but I also found this from the Hybrid Speed Silver Series set. Not too bad. I'm hoping that they have the new Matchbox set, because I've only seen like 2 pieces, so we'll see. Man, look at that. Nice, nice. 1968 Dodge D200. I think I have This one and this one. Oh, there's another one. Oops. Nice. I think I got the full set now. Look at that. Chevy Silverado 4x4. Wish they put the rest on the back. I don't know why they stopped doing that on some of them. It makes no sense to me. But, oh well. Alright, and then this crap. Stop doing that.
Stop it. Get some help.
What is good, everybody? So, we got a lot of Matchbox. I've come across some pretty sick stuff lately and had to share it. First, I want to start with this. The 93 Jaguar XJ220S in orange. This thing is so clean. Number 7 out of the Matchbox Collectors. Got a pretty solid orange. That whole entire set was pretty nice. I just, for some reason, I couldn't get them all. I was just like, man, I can't decide. So I ended up grabbing that and that, and then this one, the 1988 Mazda RX-7. It's like a midnight blue, like a navy. But yeah, beautiful casting. Have to get this one. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Number 8 out of 20. Oh, this is from, I don't even know what numbers this is. This one's through. It's 12. What is it? 12 through 18? I don't know how they do it. I can't remember. They do it by 5s? I'm not sure. But this is one I actually found on accident when I was looking for something else. They had just put these out. I was like, oh, I gotta snatch that. The old 1959 Caddy Coupe de Ville. And my Cadillac Coupe de Ville. I honestly, you already know what song I'm thinking about. That Afro Man. I really like that color. It's like a champagne. What do you guys think? They did excellent on this one. Man, old cars just had so much style. Maybe they were trying to make it look like something in the future. Who knows? But yeah, that was another good one. 12 out of 20. And this I was so excited to find. BMW, baby. The 94 BMW 850 CSI. In red. Another clean one. Matchbox, hats off to you. 14 out of 20. Yeah, that's another one I had to steal. And this, I'm so excited to have this in my hand right now. I stopped looking for it like a while ago, and just out of nowhere there was the 80s Mattel display. There was a lot at Fry's and Kroger, or Kroger on the East Coast. West Coast is Fry's, but yeah, I found 3 of them now. I grabbed another one. I left the 3rd one that I ended up finding, but 1978 Ford Bronco in black, and you got the that retro style on the side, that orange and red and yellow. Definitely a nice one to have. Number 4 out of 20. Let's see what else I found. I'm not sure what mix this was from, but definitely some good ones in it. Start off with the 2004 Maserati MC12 in white, and you got the blue chassis, big old spoiler on the back, the Mazzy. Yeah, I like that one a lot. I was excited to find that. And for the Porsche lovers, Porsche 911 Targa in red. Things looking real clean. Look at how crisp it looks with the light. Ooh. Love it, love it, love it. I'm not gonna have enough room up here, guys. All my fault. I like a Toyota 4Runner. I don't know about you guys. but it looked pretty nice. Reliable SUV. Good one. Oh, this one's got the frog lights up. Got the 1984 Toyota MR2 in black. But the lights are down. Why aren't they down? Did someone put it in the wrong one? Cause yeah, look, see the frog lights are up. Anyway, another clean one. It's a recolor. There's a lot of those, but black looks nice. I got the 2021 Ford Bronco in green. Got the gold wheels, I guess you could say. Oh, look at that paint job. Thing's glistening. It's glistening. Like Bill Burr says. Oh, and I got some, what is this? Oh, hold on. Ended up finding this 77 Jaguar XJ6C. Like a burgundy. The tan interior. Nice grille in the front. This would be cool for a wheel swap. Or maybe even lower it. I don't know. That's just me. I like that one though. And then I found some from the new Jurassic World Rebirth. What is it? Oh yeah, here it is. The 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Clean little Jeep. This is the card art. I'm so used to the old one. When I found this, I thought it was the original. Cause I think I have the truck somewhere, that the Ford Explorer. But I ended up finding this one too. Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Oh, 2014 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. G5500. I can't talk. 550, so 550. Getting ahead of myself. Another good one. I thought it was pretty nice. This would be cool for a custom, probably. I'm sure someone would come up with something really sick with it. A lot of creative people out there making customs, that's for sure. If you guys haven't looked lately, man. Car things, Jakarta diecast, man, there's a lot of them. But those are the two that come to mind at the moment. Alright, let's see what else I found. Oh, for the Porsche lovers, real quick. I found a 5-pack. I don't know if you've seen my short or not, but I found this 5-pack of Porsches. Pretty sweet, I must say. Oh, it's on this side there. I was like, where the hell are they? That's probably my favorite out of it. That thing is so clean. Yeah, that one's pretty sweet, I must say. What else? Oh, got some more, got some moving parts for you. Got the 2023 Audi RS6 Avant. The trunk opens. Some gold rims. It's like a dark purple. Pretty clean. Oh, this one I was hyped to find. 2020 BMW M4 Cabriolet in yellow. Doors open. Nothing too wild, but I like that casting, so I'm a swoop. And I found a Super Sport series and a Truck series. Not exactly specific on the name for the Truck series, but that's just what I'll call it for now, because I don't know. This one's the Super Sport. Start with number 1 out of 5, 1972 Lotus Europa. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Let's see, number 2 is a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Coupe. Like a burgundy, like dark red kind of. Looks pretty nice, pretty nice. What do you guys think about it? Oh, next we got a 2015 Mazda MX-5. Miata. Like a forest like dark green, maybe something like that. Tan interior. Another clean one. Love Miatas, those are pretty sick too. Oh, this one, I thought this one looked nice. It's a 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible in orange. I just thought that was an overall just a clean casting, to be honest. Like, look at that. Looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty good. And the card art to go with it. I like the contrast that they did. The orange on the green, the yellow on the red, orange on the green. That's like a darker green. Oh, and this last one, you guys will like this for the Corvette people. 2020 Corvette C8 in blue. Look at that. Oh, that thing's clean. Yep, definitely a good one to have. That whole set of 5 is a good one. It's pretty hyped to find this truck set too. So let's start 1 out of 5. 1995 Nissan Hot Body D21. Delivery truck. I'm pretty sure this has been out for a while. It's just the recolor. What else we got? Oh, I like this one a lot. 1957 GMC Stepside in yellow. It's a Moon Eyes truck. Thing's clean. GMC on the back with the wooden truck bed. That's what it should, or it's supposed to be. Yeah, that one's pretty clean. I like that one. 2 out of 5. Oh, and we got a 1977 Ford Courier truck. It's an Edelbrock shop truck. This one's clean too. The two-tone Ford on the back. I like that one too. Here's the big ones. Big boys coming your way. 4 out of 5. Got the 1968 Dodge D200. Look at this monster. This thing's like a monster truck before monster trucks. I'm digging it. Look at that. Sitting high. What else we got? Oh, and last but not least, Chevy Silverado 4x4. Look at that thing. That boy's sitting high. Sitting pretty right there. Look at that. Yeah, definitely a solid solid series, guys. Both of those. I'm honestly digging both of them a lot. I think for the for the Matchbox stuff, that was it. Oh yeah, and just this little Audi real quick. It's just the recolor. Got a few of them, different colors. Nice though, I like it. And I think that was it. I don't see, yeah, that was it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you can find all those, honestly. Some stores I know everything gets cleaned so quick, but cross my fingers for you. Anyways, just wanted to focus on Matchbox. I thought that'd be something different. Kind of all over the place with my videos, I know, but I'm still learning. Still learning, guys. Anyways, good luck on the hunt. I'm out.